The Stop Safely Now message on your Ford F-250 diesel means the engine control module has detected a critical exhaust system fault and is shutting down the truck to prevent a fire. To fix this, you must replace the faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, commonly known as the EGT sensor, located along the exhaust pipe. This warning is almost always triggered by a failed EGT sensor reading an impossibly high temperature. When the computer sees this false reading, it cuts power immediately to save the engine. You can confirm which exact sensor failed by plugging an OBD2 scanner into the port under the driver's side dashboard. Look for diagnostic trouble code P2033 or similar EGT circuit codes. The 6.7-liter Powerstroke has 4 of these sensors along the passenger side exhaust system. Sensor 1 is near the turbo downpipe, and sensor 4 is near the tailpipe. Once you identify the bad sensor, spray the threads heavily with penetrating rust oil and let it sit for 20 minutes. These sensors endure extreme heat and get seized in the exhaust pipe. Use a 13mm line wrench to break the old sensor loose to avoid stripping the nut. Thread the new EGT sensor into the exhaust pipe by hand to prevent cross-threading. Tighten it down snugly with your wrench and clip the electrical connector back into the wiring harness. Clear the trouble codes with your scanner, and the truck will start up normally without the shutdown warning.